Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Here again is another compilation video for a very funny moment. So don't forget to subscribe and like, comment and share my video. Please, without further ado, let's dive into this comedy compilation.
Baba, the rate of stealing for this our area it don't increase. Baba, you sabi this thing where they do where person go hold phone. Before you know, everybody go down they greet you.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, they will come collect the person phone. Baba, you don't enter our area. They don't collect people phone. Baba, I won't make you do something where immediately they collect my phone. If I do am, they go return the phone. Yes.
Click and the I saw you at the right place.
Yes.
You see this thing? Once they collect your phone,
yes.
Use this thing, shout Odumod 3 times, you will catch the person.
Okay, if they collect my phone, Odumodu 3 times, the person go return the phone.
That one, the particular person will carry that phone will come there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I hold your account. I'll credit you.
There is no problem.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Use your
Good afternoon.
Quick.
Odumodu. Jesus!
Odumodu. You want to use this on street boys? You are joking. Let's see SKs on this one. SKs. This one they eat yam and porridge.
Boy, I just see my nose dey pass for can't see this money. Boy, my. How about dinner? Just first up. I think I join you. I see I hear my name before I see they call me. Don't shoot. Yes. Pass your phone first.
SKs greedy and selfish. I swear.
No. This and I don't tell observer. Now your account number you put for here. Credit me something now. Before I follow issue. My last card now. Wow.
And it's so serious.
I don't say you want to. Yeah. Doctor, where is the now? That passing the
Why is it eating like criminals?
I don't need some.
Only one SK Baladba. My man is said.
Apa Victor.
Allah said. I do.
How about dinner?
I do. Estimate for test this beans. Papa, where's Pondina?
You want shop?
No man, I'm going to chat together now.
I can't remember.
I can't matter for waiting again. Now you get food where you come. SK talk to me now.
Okay.
SK talk to me now.
If SK punch you.
You don't give the account. You don't give the account.
I can't for waiting again. I mean, now this I need to know your account now.
Don't
Don't the family.
you talk like that now.
You
want me?
What tell you like this?
You want me? You got all the put the work.
Put the work you.
When you because of this, so you get what?
SK is using his food to do trade by barter.
One person will put you up on ground. You will come for shoe. This sort of everybody put together. I don't know the shop and not monkey. Don't tell him.
And because you know what you say, how to go chop money.
What's the family? What's the person buying? What's the family? What's the family together? Nobody before. Hey now, this guy.
So because you buy beans now, you cook beans, you package beans.
Lie.
Men of it does.
Sit down. These are the beans. Now beans they are the
This guy
beans.
will walk
Go outside. You know how much they said. You now I said
Come out. See one shop.
I'm too sad that you charge.
just on.
Pay now if you want to eat. Actually, you actually have to contribute.
After now, we'll go wash my later.
Who are you? Wash my don't give me beans.
Thank you.
Although I am midday at this one. This one is kind of funny, you know. It's actually stranded. Oh, but the woman will not let him see road. Are you sure this lady is not going to steal this bike away?
Jesus!
See the way everybody is helping her because she's a woman. Man is so far.
That was mad.
That
so
was
next
mad
time
actually, man.
Use my promo code.
There are some advantage women have, honestly. They have
Press
so
the
much
great part offer and bet on any Premier League matches
unlike
and
men.
get 15% cash back. So
If
what are you
that
waiting
guy
for? Go and do
didn't
that right
call
away
that
and
girl,
start making money. Let's
hold
go.
that thing for him. He would have been dead till now.
See, producer, this is my last year of doing music. If this song we just record there does not blow,
Me, I'm going back to business. Come to my door.
I swear.
Please, I just want to take a picture with you, please. Even though I just want to take picture.
I don't know.
You can relax, first. Calm down now. Bro, I just want to take pictures, fine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Picture. I want to take picture.
The video is kind of easy and simple, but the guard were like. Don't go, who are you?
Shy.
Please, one more favor. Can you sign an autograph?
Yeah, sure.
One more thing. I see, I'm an upcoming artist. Please, can you jump on my song, please?
Oh shit! Here we go again.
You know, I have the album coming out. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. But you know what thing? Take my number. Take my number. Then if I like the song, the after time don't come down small. Then I feel easy.
You do actually want to
5555. 5555.
Now you call am so. Now you always turn up.
The autograph. He actually gave 2 things. Autograph.
What's going on here?
You good, bro? Bro, don't look back, bro. It's a prank. Look. See the camera right there? I do this every day. Look, I got something better for you. That's your new phone. That shirt, I ain't worried about that shirt, bro.
My autograph.
You want this?
People will give me. Mala.
911, what's your emergency?
It's a prank.
Shut that. And if you don't go mad for
The guy's shocked now. I love that. You were calling 911 after you've destroyed my phone. Yeah? Now I'm calling them, telling them to prank, and they will just rest. And let's see the point of this.
Remember that my guy Joshua? My Odogo Parara now. His girlfriend almost caught me at his house today. The thing is, I escaped and she did not see me.
Thank God now. Why are you not worried?
Relax. The bad thing is, I forgot my underwears there.
Hey, that's a good thing now. Abi?
What if she sees it before he says it?
Even if she sees it, it will work for all of us.
I'm a side chick and I know my best. I don't want to cause problem between him and his men, babe.
Side chick.
I'm a side chick and I'm okay with it. I don't want to spoil anybody's relationship.
Hello, young ladies. I've been listening to everything you girls have been saying. And I like you.
Thank you.
I like the way you do reason. Your type is rare.
I go lie for you.
And for that, I will help you.
Guess how?
You help me?
Yes. Because a young man is about to get into trouble somewhere.
Don't you say that! You are cheating on the guy. I don't know where this thing came from. I don't know where this thing came from. Quiet. Look at this. Take a look at this underwear. Imagine the type of underwear the person you're cheating on me with is wearing. Looks like all those untapped trap they use a trapping grasshopper. Look at this cheap bra. Just take a look at it. You're so tasteless.
With my fees and everything. Do you think I would cheat on you with somebody? Someone put you on this catapult?
You're trying to tell me there's a female ghost that lives in this house.
I don't know how this thing got into the house.
Who owns this?
Hello, sir. Hello. Yes. Hello, sir. I'm the dispatch rider that came to deliver a package to you this morning, sir. That's my bike, sir. Yes, sir. So, I came to deliver a package to you this morning and I mistakenly added another person's item to your item.
I said it!
I said it! Yes, exactly. So, the item I mistakenly added is a girl's item. I think you said it's underwear. Yes, this is it, sir.
All these dispatch riders and missing packages. See what you guys almost caused.
I'm very sorry, sir.
I told you I can never be involved in cheating on you.
Jesus! If only all the side chick in the world will learn to be like you, the world will be a better place.
Thank you.
You will go far.
Amen.
Some will say I want to fix my reputation. Leave that girl.
Now why will they call am dope? Now why?
He always turn up. You know, he go turn up. He go turn up. They play with fire. They play with fire. Go and ask questions.
And that's the best. He's not your man. Be a side chick and be contented with a side chick possession.
Please, I'm going to the SAG. Can you help me drop me at the gate?
I should drop you. You know the fear. You see me carry Joe going. They tell me to make I drop you. Go enter front.
Thank you.
Go enter now.
Thank you.
Oh, now what? Hey. So I say make you come enter to show you run. You want enter front. You be princess. You be princess. Go back here. People get shame. They run. They can't be girls. They stay front. Go back. Hey man.
Sorry.
So Chuchu, you want to stay at the back? Make the officer be your driver. Calm down. No, if you carry you. If you stay back now, the officer be your driver. Calm down now. You dey waste my time. Now Joe going there now. Calm down. Continue to check. You're rich. You know okay, you want to check. You're rich. No worry.
God will punish you.
No one. All these broke people are
evil, winch, devil.
Bye. What's wrong with this man? Babe, can you chill? Why are you so insecure?
Oh, I'm insecure?
Yes.
This one man begin.
I've told you I can't leave you for nobody in this life, not even a billionaire.
Seriously?
Yes, babe, chill. I've told you. I can't leave you for a billionaire, not even Cristiano Ronaldo.
Funniest comedy I've ever seen.
You will leave me for Cristiano Ronaldo. Wait. Hello, father.
The general.
So please, when is your next show?
Now June 1st for Lagos. June 1st. Yes, Akoro vs. Akoro. This one where they ask, so you want to perform?
Tell me I want to perform. My girlfriend, she's so funny.
Your girlfriend, funny die. I go make a yellow. Why you make a yellow now?
You want you to crack for him? Okay, sir.
I said I can't leave you for a billionaire, not even Cristiano Ronaldo.
I see.
This is a tear show.
He's even the worst.
The general.
Yes, sir.
One man. The general.
One man.
Yes, sir. The general.
Yes, sir.
Hey, father. Now this your girlfriend go retire me.
She retire you?
One man.
He said you retire him. You retire him. Don't worry, you're blown. Blown girl.
I can't live it for every Cristiano Ronaldo.
Are you serious?
I'm back.
Ivan, are you not late for your date?
I'm late. Like, please give me your iPad. This is the birthday. You check. Please give me your one.
Look at the time, by this time. Are you sure you want to go out like this? What do you want? What else do you want? Let me help you.
Give me your iPad, so please.
On my day, then no fit touch my energy.
Hey, babe, stop by. Bring food for our house. I will. Bye, baby. Bye. Hello? Where are you?
I'm on my way.
I'm close to the location. Just come close to VI.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
You that's even living in the beach, taking your bath in the beach, you don't have the true
Jesus.
And you want a fine girl.
Are you not eating anything?
Don't worry about me. I already had something to eat before coming.
Okay. Hello, ma. This is your takeaway bag. Thank you. Hello, sir. This is the bill. 365,000.
Okay. Oh, since I forgot my card, can you help me sort the bill? Don't worry, I'll refund you.
Who's that account number? Okay, 001239.
Yes.
Please, I will need like 50k. Can you send me 50k? Join. Don't worry, just add everything. I will refund you.
Again?
I swear. Again.
What's the account?
The account is 419.
419.
Yes, 419 282 79419.
419.
This one starts with 419, ends with 419.
Okay.
Is it not enough
Thank
for you?
you. Thank you. Let me sort something in my car. I'm coming.
My boss.
How much you money?
You know, say you don't use 5 hours. Now, like 40k.
Okay,
thanks. I don't share. Okay.
Where is your car living?
My car has just little issues, so they are going to fix it.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
you're supposed to take me to the beach.
Beach? Don't worry now. We can still go to the beach. You can use ride.
I really enjoyed my date today.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you very much, but I'll be leaving now.
Oh, so soon?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. You can use the ride.
Yeah, but what about the money?
The money, I'll send it for you before you get in. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just send me your account number.
Okay,
Yeah.
alright.
Take care of yourself.
Night.
Yeah.
Pew. I look for you now. Tell me the time when you tell me to bring us.
But
I want to help you with this. Last time I helped you, you bring my suit the next day. I tell you, 24 hours. I don't like that rubbish.
Pew.
What happened? I came back to collect my necklace, and what's this?
Pew.
Uncle, they talk say today to sleep for beach na 2 seats, so they all lost 300. So today go pay 2.9.
That knock is superb, man. Very superb. And you too, why you go bring that come bitch when you
this way don't go down. No, there's something about my disposal because they don't check your ego.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
Smelly
6, 7.
My brother, why your in-law they cry for a wedding day?
Now all those boys now when they talk say I don't care about her past. I have no business with a lady's past. I ain't the married so. Now on the wedding day you can't go find out about her past. Her past. In fact, now the past participle.
Bride's uncle, you cannot leave us. We want to have a private meeting with the past.
Okay. It's alright.
I said the bride's uncle should leave us. We want to have a meeting with the bride.
Actually, I'm not an uncle. I'm an ex-husband. So I came here to collect back my bride price once our bride price is paid.
So you're married before? You did not ask me now.
Neighbor, you dey travel?
I like in Dubai.
Masalam. Mommy Gina, congrats.
Thank you. His name is Collins. You don't breakfast, not bring you food.
You may 1 hour, I go break.
No, wala, it's okay.
That 1 hour we never reach. 1 hour we never reach. Five plates.
This is not what a man do.
Phoebe, welcome to Dubai.
Almost 6 hours flight.
Uncle, sorry.
Collins, I want you several times. I beg, no vex, I beg. Collins, you will not kill me. Oh. His name is Collins.
You never see anything. You just start.
Even Collins don't big. Now fast you want to break. What the fuck?
Shema! Me also me call tell you say since my baby all come for village cause they stay with me for Lekki. We know the seafood they shop again. Since 3 days now we have no eating. Now why me also me call me to you if you cook for us me you give us cha!
Cha! Aliko, say you know how street be? You never sit down in the lap person. Say you know what you go for? Hey! Wait, what's your name first? Osato?
Yes. Osato, sir, yes.
Where is that power? Talk.
Dave!
Head boy.
My love, please, can you just prepare something for them?
Alright, okay. Thank you very much, sir.
I won't go.
Shema! Now your checkers be that.
Now my babe.
Me all like the way she take Okish. I don't know if she did less busy. Maybe you could borrow for short time. No waste of time. So that maybe you are dance. Me checkers to do 3 songs after we do chat finish.
Say you dey okay, Aliko. You come here, come ask for food. You tell me say make my girlfriend. Say you dey alright.
At all.
Shema, you know me. We fit see Shema. You know my blood.
Aliko, what did they tell me now? Say you come be like where they play food and there. Aliko, leave my house.
Babe, more they go.
I'm so disappointed in you. You just say me I go follow you go that house, make food no day.
Babe, I don't understand. Nonsense. Shema, you see him? I didn't call it my
Am I? It's my own too much.
I need to be wise.
That slap, those people actually enjoyed it because that skin cut, he gave himself was so like blast, was so shiny and crispy too. Guy, watch this and this is very hilarious and so sad.
Yes, this is Alpha 109. Please, put my wife on the line.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
Are you coming home already?
Please, listen to me. I don't have much time. I just want you to know that I love you so much and you mean the world to me.
Babe, calm down, talk to me. What's going on? You're getting me worried.
Please, take care of yourself and my daughter for me.
Under fire.
Daddy, I miss you.
I miss you too, my love.
He's in a shootout.
Babe. End that call. Come on, join me in the shower. Come on.
Babe, let me call you back.
Hey,
the network is breaking. Let me call you back.
I was at work trying to come out alive, even calling you, thinking that I would buy. I was thinking we just use the energy to finish the other energy and go straight to home.
hello, babe. See, you have nothing to worry about. I already told you. I have money. There is cars. See, for this lucky, no any club they don't know me for this lucky. Money day.
Are you sure?
No, don't make nonsense.
Jesus.
What is it?
I don't want trouble.
What are you doing here? Come here. Take my card. Carry my card, go and fuel it.
At the right time. It happened at the right time. Like this guy has already promised everybody that he's already a blown man.
Hello, babe. I told you that there is money that will pay everywhere red and black for you. Just for you alone. I love you, money day. Eh? Hey!
Come on here. You don't get break. When I come for my brother.
That's how I die.
Yeah. Your own better now.
Rise up and walk.
My own uncle.
Let's have it.
Hello, babe.
No. I'm at Kilimanjaro.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I just want to get chicken and chips. You know how we do it now.
For you? Okay, do you know what? Just get me takeaway, please.
No problem. Eh? No.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
This is the Kilimanjaro.
Give me rice.
How many stew are you people going there? And you are acting nothing on only you.
This land where my son want use build house. 9 people get mine, come the shit inside. I go use one set example. From today, any other person will shit for this land. The land goes swallow am.
Example number 1.
Now, sir, I die you.
Yeah.
Solo.
I'll be back soon. I need to rest.
Tommy, where you go? Finish your drink, where you go?
Guy, I don't feel drink. If I drink, I go high.
Then the worst drink. Finish your drink.
Anything make me drink, I go vomit here. I don't feel drink again.
But instead of drink to waste, maybe let here. Baba, no dey waste drink. More than go. Mama Agnes, where you dey go?
I'm not be your picking Agnes. See Costa that what I do for pikin make she drink. She said she no dey drink am again. That pikin dey stress me.
So what you want to do now?
She no wan drink am. I pour am water go throw am. Can maybe go no.
You want to go throw away custard? Then the waste custard? Jesus Christ. I mean, give me custard. Go back inside.
You no dey drink am.
I go drink am.
Everything.
So if I not come here now to rescue this custard, if I don't waste them. This man.
I'm okay, madam.
Oga, can you cook pepper too much?
I'm fine.
Okay. You don't chop finish?
Yeah, I'm good.
Jollof rice and chicken, you don't finish? Okay, I won't waste food. They know they waste food though. Madam don't finish.
I don't understand though.
I just lost appetite. I'm okay.
The Lord has done it. You are done.
You are done. From the down.
Listen, I don't know. My brother. I don't finish.
So, madam, the plate na 10,000, abi. So I chop 2K. So now I just pay you now. I don't want waste money at all. You go pay the remaining 8,000.
Jesus!
Thank you. I don't want waste money.
Madam, no pay complete.
Oga, hey, I said the food na 10,000 naira. He chop 2,000 naira on. Don't say no one waste money. You rush, can't finish the food. Don't say no one waste food. You go try balance me my money or say something.
Bros, can you imagine?
Oga balance am.
Balance me my money.
Madam, you hold your phone.
For waiting.
Ma call my mama.
Now yeah, your mama chop the food.
Madam, let me inform my mom.
Oga, give me my money.
Madam, go man sit down. And they sit down do transfer.
Okay, better for you.
Hey, Jesus, what have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Oh my God. Sorry, oh. Madam, be patient, be patient.
When you have eaten the rice, that will come from down.
I'm tired.
People have told you calm down now. Just give me small time. They will soon pay. No worry. Everything will do alright. Just manage that Gary first, okay? Now I love you.
It's fine. I understand.
Now lie! Ben! I don't cash out. Who's we?
Babe! Gary, you buy me all the things you promised me. New clothes, new bag. Oh my God, I'm sorry.
I never knew you were a gold digger. My man won me against broke bitches like you. If you ever come in your life again, I'm gone.
All I do is win.
Oh, this is very bad. Someone who actually understood you when you had nothing, and now you are abandoning. Oh, going back to Gary. Look at this guy. Oh, that left.
I don't dare my friends.
Right. Let me tell you something. Wait. He actually came back. I think this time he doesn't have any money again.
I'm sorry. I go very carried away. I promise it will never happen again.
It's fine, I understand. Now that there's money, at least we'll be eating curry morning, afternoon, and night. I feel like eating something. I want to eat a good food. I want to eat pizza and ice cream.
Oh, yeah. The money don't finish. The last money I stay by this flower. So don't worry. I'm going to carry our last us for the next 6 months. I haven't bought onions.
How, Chim?
It's fine, I understand.
Just like the sun lights up the earth, it lights up my life.
Baby, what's the problem? I didn't sing, I didn't dance. You are not smiling. Mefaru, what's the problem?
Baby, I'm not happy.
You are not happy. What do you mean you are not happy? And I'm standing in this place.
My dad is so sick. I'm in the hospital right now. I tried donating my blood, but it's not much.
The dad is in the hospital. Yes. Is that why you are sad? Baby, worry no more. I am here for you. I can do anything for you. I love.
Oh my God, baby, thank you so much. I love you so much.
And I love you too, my baby.
When are we going to the hospital? Because the doctor said we need 15 rubbers of blood.
15 rubbers of blood? No be even one robber. 50 robbers. Hey, baby, look. I know they give your daddy 50 robbers of blood. How many blood I gave for body? Where your daddy won't make I give him 50 robbers of blood. Relationship baby say we just start. You never ever enter 2 weeks.
Baby, but I thought you loved me.
I don't love you again.
Babe, are you going?
Yes, I'm going. If you when they enter 1 year 9, you go say make I give you my kidney. How about them Allah? Yes, I don't love you. Allah for my dear.
Women.
Papi, what's going on now? Why you stand? Where you go? Where you go by this time of the day?
You say you want pass night from my house, I don't allow you. I sleep now. Why you no want sleep? If I stand up, you go follow me stand up.
You want to stand? Where you go?
Where they go now? Your problem. What is supposed to be your problem, Nana? Say you say you want pass night. Sleep. Make I get my own peace. I go stand up. You go follow me stand up.
You guys never sleep. Now you go sleep. You don't think what's going on?
No worry. Move on like
Where you go?
No worry. I want this side. I want sleep this side. I want stand. Why are you? Lie down, sleep for bed. Make me. I'm okay here.
Papi, I'm suspecting you. You are my suspect.
How they suspect person will say I don't leave bed for you. Lie down there, sleep. Make her stand up, sleep. I'm okay here. Eh? Relax.
No, we must sleep together.
Go lie down for bed. I don't leave bed. No worry. Nothing will happen. I know say you always fear. No fear, you papi. This is my Yahoo work. I know they do anything inside. I know they add anything. Now just grace and they use speed. Just go like that. Nothing.
I trust you, papi.
Go like
papi.
Nothing will happen to you. Go sleep. Nothing will happen. Lie down. Cover yourself for 80 days on.
You talk about sleep, oh.
12 don't knock now. Waiting they go this baba.
The hour has arrived. This is the best time for the ritual.
Yes.
This is the best time, so everything will work out.
Okay.
God of money.
Give me money and more power.
God of money.
Give me money and more power. Make a press in neck.
Press in neck, finish her.
Okay.
Tag around.
Okay.
Finish her.
And the press her.
Press away.
And the press her.
Press away.
Give me the knife.
Press away. Press her. Hey!
Mugbe wala handicap.
Isco. You can never change, Joe. She's in a play. No, I don't feel so. I'm not saying are you. So, una to plan to use me, abi? I just make a pass knife for papi house. Now start for 10%. If I know worse.
Eyes of the gods. Shebi that you don't say this boy they sleep. Hold on, this guy go expose us. Hold on.
If you move and eat, if you damn there, I will squeeze life out of you. Isco, you can never change. You can never change, papi.
My brother, you don't say this sacrifice no work, the ritual no work. And only today, now you got to leave. As you say, 12 don't nag. Any moment from now, you are gone. As for me, I don't go chamber.
You be gold digger. Now gold digger, now you dey dig gold.
As a chairman for 1 time.
Chairman
for 2 times.
You don't join, be say you don't join. Everything completed. Right now, you are a full member of this cult group.
Anywhere where you go, scatter things, collect things.
They call them achievers.
Achieve.
You are covered.
Just up.
The first thing what you go do now is to pay salama to our chairman.
Thank you, boss. Chairman, see, I want to say a very big thank you for allowing me to join this.
You the Chris? Who goes you? God, we don't join now. You don't match our chairman.
Which time I match chairman? I just stand up mad at the time. I never even talk anything. You don't vlog me.
They call me liar. You came and they match our chairman shadow.
Chairman shadow.
You dey tell me say you know they match our chairman.
Jesus. Not the shadow now. I pay the man. My chairman shadow they call Nari. What did they pay me on top chairman head is gone. You dey match head, you want pussy head, you want pussy brain. I buy the matching head, you want pussy chairman brain. You want pussy chairman brain. I buy for that. Just stand back. I beg, I know. I just fall out. I go down. I said go down. Tear him back. I don't know. Tear him back.
kind cut with this? The first you join. Beginning of the problem. Go and join.
Don't you have loud? I have to be high.
After I don't pay 100k, now I can't see the buy loud again.
You just have to be in the mood now to do you well.
Make I call my plug. What again now?
I have smoke now. I have to chop. My tummy is empty.
You sure say you want shop now? You say make I pay 100k, I don't pay 100k. You say you want smoke, I don't give you loud. Now say you want shop again. I don't they feed you for us.
I'll do you well. I'll make you happy.
No problem. What would you like to eat now? Shawarma or?
Thankful for
Jesus! You want shovel because they knock?
Hey, I'll punch you.
Oh, pandemic, I like that one. You're a bad girl.
I pity this boy.
I bet just chop. Let me just quickly go and shower. So that when I come back, I feel pound you.
Dissolve!
Let us sleep.
Dissolve.
Hook up, girl.
Hey!
I swear, I beg her carry.
Bobby gonna smoke, you go chop food, though.
Big checker, big one.
You look like we're a couple. You are joking.
Yes, couple of friends.
Emotional, damn it.
See the woman. If you not see the woman, you die fast.
Viewers. Emotional, damn it.
See the woman. If you not see the woman, you die fast.
Viewers. Emotional, damn it. Viewers.
So sir, this is the land I was telling you about.
I hope the land has no issues.
There's no issue. This is the only land my father left for me before he died. So there's no issue. It's my land.
Okay, let me make payment. I just sent you 200 million.
Oh, receive. You can have the documents, sir.
Oh, thank you. I hope the documents are complete.
Very, very complete, sir. So it was nice doing business with you.
Pleasure is mine.
This one you're buying land. Look, he's selling land when we'll see the end. Using the land.
My love,
to take care of the woman.
I told you to calm down. That I will make money. And now I have made money. So in this card, I have the sum of 200 million. So I will use this money to spoil you, take you to Dubai, and even get married to you.
That's my baby turkey.
You can say that again. Go ahead and drink. Daddy's here for you.
Let me take you out to pound.
It's about to go down.
Another big band.
Man, which one be this now?
No boss, you have been called.
Wait. What's going on here? So it's true. What people are saying is actually true. You're having an affair with someone else.
Please, I can explain.
Explain what?
Good afternoon, ma.
Can you shut up? And what's good about the afternoon?
Your husband, my boss, has been telling me a lot of good things about you, ma. And from what I can see, you're really beautiful.
Your boss?
Yes, ma. I've been working for him for 3 consecutive years, and I came to collect my payment today, ma.
It's such a coincidence. I've also been married to him for the past 3 years.
God have mercy upon us.
You know what? I'm so sorry. I never knew you were having a...
How you just enter here and be talking anyhow? Don't you know this is a business meeting?
I love this kind of
But
side
you know what?
chick.
Let everybody sit down and chill.
No, that won't be necessary, ma. I just came to collect my payment.
So soon?
Yes, ma.
Later now.
All right.
Now what for you, bro?
What? Hey, are you okay?
Yes,
You never see anything.
I think are you coming to work tomorrow?
I won't be coming to work tomorrow, sir. I have to go to Dubai to start a new life.
You know, in the past 3 years, I've gone through a lot. Now it's my time to enjoy. See you some other time, okay?
When you're holding my card.
You're okay.
How many of you remember this man?
Just a comedy. It's a very big comedy. I don't care if my wife is there. It's better my wife.
Hey, babe. What about the 200 million you sold the land for?
But normally, you know, say woman dey ahead of man for thinking. You know, if normally man dey see 2 steps ahead, woman dey see 10.
Let's see Brother Solo on this one.
Good night.
Good night.
Hey! What's that? Move.
Don't be smart in, I don't go enter.
I could have killed a lot. God help me.
One man begin.
What is it with what did he ask the guy?
Customer. Customer, I beg. See, from the look of things, this man Blaq could just escape from prison.
Why no?
And do what he say, maybe I could never knock. I knock you one knock, so I beg you go cooperate with them. Yeah? Make him knock you any way you want them.
Wonder fire
you. Don't even pay me. Forget about my no pay me at all. Just allow me to knock you. This man look dangerous. And if we stress him like this, if he buy the 2 of us, and if he buy us, what we go tell God?
God forbid.
That is not what he whispered to me. He asked if I have Vaseline. And I said yes.
Vaseline, okay?
Yes.
I told him the Vaseline is in the bedroom. And he wants to use it on you.
Jesus. You want to knock me?
Oh my God. From the look of things, the man looks very dangerous. And if we are not careful, he might buy us. Allow him do whatever he wants to do with you.
Who be this ghost?
Our life depends on you. Just cooperate.
What do you do?
May you cook my buy also. More of us just go.
What be you are?
You see, when it gets to your turn now, you don't want. You are telling the woman that let him buy you, the both of you. But you were telling her to let her black woman. This one not. This is shit.
Let me ask my friend which bag she would like me to carry.
No, ma.
Yes.
I want to go out. I don't know the bag to carry. Which one should I carry? You should take the red one. The red one.
I knew she was going to pick the wrong bag.
No, I'll go with the yellow one. You? Why you not the one where you go carry? Why you can't they ask me? I know my friend. I know if he asks you again.
Go for police your papa. Misbehaving. Don't talk to you. Giving attitude. What are you gonna make in this house?
Barrister, wait, Barrister, wait, I beg, wait.
You joking?
Barrister, I beg, wait, I beg.
Why are you parabolating, galvanizing, and propelling all through this boulevard, screaming my nomenclature, pregnomen, and cognomen to the top of your larynx and esophagus?
Barrister, like this now, I don't even go your house, I don't even see you. Now somebody tell me say you pass this road. Now why are they run to come meet you like this?
Okay. What is the reason?
You see, one of my friends, they owe me better money like this, but he never agree pay the money. Now somebody don't tell me, say, now you be the only person we go feel retrieve the money, and I believe the person need a lie at all. Now why are they hurry like this? Make it come collect this money for me, I beg.
My brother, as you can see, the sun is in a state of more caliente, torrid, muggy, balmy, and scourging. And currently, I have a salient, cardinate, and pertinent issue to attend to in court. So I'm sorry I cannot attend to this your issue right now.
Hey, Barrister, come, I go pay you better money. Nah.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. Soon as I pay the money, I go pay you.
You know I charge very high.
Barrister, I know say they charge high now. I go pay you.
Very good.
Well, if you say so, a bird in hand is worth more than 2 in the bush. As an assiduous, conscientious, and indefatigable amicable scorer, I want you to propel and galvanize me to that muchacho we are going to salvage and recuperate your spondules. Let's go.
Thank you. See, more they go in your house, they decide.
Come make me gather, so this is my time. Barista Tayo, Ubonge grammar, Ubi di Babari, Barista Tayo.
Hey, look at it. Hey, no, if you plan to go.
Come back there.
Barrister. Plan to run this time. Barrister, see, now the yaya man went to owe me that money with this. You see, today I don't bring barrister. It's either you pay me that money or you go prison.
Young man, please, you brought me here. Allow me to settle this issue amicably.
Okay.
Young man, in a laconic and epigrammatic manner devoid of hocus pocus rockus, kindly expatiate and explain what transpired between the both of you.
Barrister, I beg, I don't understand this language. If you help me break him down for me.
Okay, very fine. Is he your bonza, biza, bada, or fidus akate? And why did you decide to scapa, vamoose, skedarul, and skidu with his sponduli?
Barrister, you see, now who are the who am? Yes. And I don't beg him. Make I dey pay this money instrumentally. But he no accept. And let's settle this amicably.
Wait, I don't understand you. Like, settle waiting amicably with you, eh? For the past 8 months now, you don't owe me a whole 300 naira and you expect...
Wait.
What's going on here?
How much you say he's owing you?
He's owing me a whole 300 naira.
Wait, Jesus. 300 naira of the Nigerian currency?
300 naira.
Now 300 naira, now they owe.
Wait, you brought me all the way from Rukky to this place. We were trekking under this scorching sun to come and take 300 naira.
Barrister, don't worry. Now I'll give you 100 naira inside.
What kind of insult is that? A whole academic juggernaut.
It is a pity for you.
In fact, young man, don't pay him that money again. It's the money.
Okay, if the 100 naira no day enough for you, I beg me will share 150. I beg.
Gaga to an gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
Fine boy. They flag my color. Which color be that one? Gay color.
This man don't hide.
You be gay. Like, come on.
How can I be on my Phoebe? My bitch is gay.
Limau.
Hello? See, you can bring that to live van. This evening I won't park. I owe my landlord 7 years rent. I don't mean to say at the park. Yes. You go walk, you go come back 2 days time. 2 days time, yes. I don't want to do fast. I beg. I won't run. 7 years. Okay. I be waiting. Thank you.
Something must come up.
I lie.
Tommy, you dey owe me 7 years rent. You get my want to run.
Now what for you?
You dey take risk. You dey take risk.
There's nothing you can do in this case because you have been spotted, you are busted, you have been caught. Hey guys, thank you for sticking around to this moment. We've come to the end of this comedy compilation. I just say my thank you for watching my video up to this extent. Anything when we say una, they put una and they go they work for una. That was that. Trying to mimic that big head boy. Yes, I link code the head boy. So guys, what is your take on this comedy compilation? Like, hope you enjoyed it, and let me see your subscription, let me see your like, let me see your comment, and also share this video if you love what you just watched. Alright guys, so what is your favorite moment in this comedy compilation video? There are a lot of funny parts, like funny scenes on this comedy compilation, especially this brother solo, oh no. See the way he was talking to the customer, that let this armed robber do whatsoever he wants to do with you, please, for the sake of our lives. But now matter don't turn, table don't turn, and the man is no longer for the woman. He was there for you because he was Gabriel. And I love the fact that the woman actually told him what told her before, and it made the comedy more interesting. What do you think about that? And also this part here, why is there a link for talking like this? See, the way he talks actually makes me very want to laugh out my intestine. I swear, the way I like this guy, I think I love his comedy. Like talking with power, everything. Wait, why can't he just see somebody's babe and remove his eye? You must want to do threesome. You must want to borrow shekels. Let me borrow. Let me just borrow. Let me then the borrow person babe again. Now wow. This is Aliko. You need to be careful. And this other movie comedy is actually, a nice one, and actually, pass so much messages and about this Cool Prince. I think that was a wonderful one from Cool Prince. How can you be at war, surrounded by enemies, in a shootout, and you actually know that this time around you're not going to escape, or you're not going to survive, that these people might buy you. So you just want to hear the last words from your wife, or you just want to hear your daughter's voice for the last time before you go. But all of a sudden, the next voice when you hear another man's voice, even telling your wife to come join him in the bedroom, can collect opwe. How would you feel? Like, I just want to know in the comment. Let me see your comment. How would you feel? Are you going to like charge up? Like, you're going to charge up and finish those enemies, or you're going to let that outbreak break you down and you get by for that reason? Are you going to let yourself get by for that reason? As for me, that will actually give me more energy to fight, to stay alive, so that I can go and confront that lady, So I don't really know about you, so let me see your comment in this particular comedy, because this is not comedy. No, it is not comedy. I'm just calling it comedy because it was acted by a comedian, so I just added it to the compilation. But this is not comedy. Like, it's way more than comedy. So what do you think about it? Let me see your thoughts. How are you going to react concerning this situation at that point in time, in the battlefield? How are you going to react? All right, let me see your comment. Make sure you comment what you're going to do. So what about this particular one from Thaedoboy? No, from the general. Let's talk about the general. Is there a lady that can actually love someone, even Ronaldo asks her, and she's going to turn him down? That is a very huge comedy from that lady. The biggest comedy ever in the world. How can you say you cannot leave the general for Ronaldo? Not if Ronaldo is a very big name. You will even leave the general. You will leave the general for Akin and Popov. Not to talk of Ronaldo. Please, that was a comedy. I love that. The way they mock that girl, like they finish that with mockery. Nonsense. You want whine us? What's going on? What's actually going on? No, let's talk. What's going on? It's in a sub. And Thaedoboy on this one, Thaedoboy, the problem solver. One day, this is a problem that you're solving, feeling that you're not soon, you will get into trouble, and that trouble, you will not be able to get out from that trouble. You are falling into many trouble. This time around, this one, they will cut off your leg. Let me tell you, be forming problem solver. Before problem solver, yeah. Don't worry, you will see shaggy. You will cry at the end of the day. You cry. Don't worry. So what do you think? What other funny scenes? Let me see your own funny scenes in the comment box below. Yes, I'm going to see your funny scenes in the comment box below. I think we've come to the end of this wonderful review. So guys, if I'm forgetting any funny scenes, you can actually state that in the comment below. Have a wonderful time. We're calling it a day. Bye bye.